Welcome to this fast-track guide to K16, Fundamental Computer Networking Concepts. Let's get straight to it. K16 is all about the digital plumbing that connects all of your company's technology. It's the nervous system that allows applications, data, and users to talk to each other. For your portfolio, you just need to understand three key concepts: the structure, the network map, cloud architecture, renting versus owning servers, and costs, the priority lane for data. This topic is assessed in your final professional discussion, which will be based on the portfolio evidence you gather. So, let's get you that evidence quickly. Here are the two most important concepts and their analogies, which are perfect for your professional discussion. First, cloud architecture. The old way was on-premise, which is like owning your own power generator in the basement. It's expensive, complex, and you have to fix it. The new way is cloud, which is like plugging into the national grid and just paying for the electricity you use. Second, quality of service, costs. This is just a priority lane on your digital motorway. It makes sure that an ambulance, like your team's video call, can speed past all the heavy lorries, like a big file download, so your call doesn't freeze. Remembering these two analogies, the national grid and the priority lane, is a fantastic way to prove your understanding. You can get all the evidence you need for K16 in under 15 minutes, without being a network expert. Here are three simple actions. Just pick one. Action 1. Open your command prompt and type /ping google.com. The time equals value it gives you is your network's latency. Take a screenshot. That's a piece of evidence. Action 2. Ask your manager or someone in IT, do we use on-premise servers or a cloud provider like AWS or Azure? Their answer gives you a key piece of information about your company's architecture. Action 3. Ask your manager, I'm learning about costs. Do we prioritize any of our network traffic, like for video calls? This shows you're engaging with the concepts. Now, let's document that action for your portfolio using the STAR method. Assessors love this because it's clear and structured. Situation: as part of K16, I needed to understand the real-world network architecture used by my organization. Task: my goal was to identify whether we use on-premise or cloud infrastructure and test our connection's latency. Action: I spoke to my IT manager, who confirmed we use a hybrid cloud model with Microsoft Azure. I also used the /ping command from my work laptop to test latency to an external site. Result: I learned we use the cloud for scalability. The ping test showed an average latency of 15 milliseconds, which I now understand is a measure of network delay. This gave me a practical understanding of K16 concepts. This is a perfect, concise piece of evidence. You can copy this structure exactly. Here is your final action plan for K16. It's simple. First, choose one action from slide 3. Do the /ping test or ask your manager about the cloud. Second, implement. Do that 10-minute task. Third, reflect. Immediately open your portfolio and write the STAR reflection we just covered on the last slide. Your goal is to be able to talk about this simple action confidently in your professional discussion. That is it. And to be crystal clear, this KSB is not assessed in the major project. Do not worry about it for your project. Focus 100% on getting this one small, simple piece of evidence into your portfolio. Thank you, and well done.